Hello all, welcome you all. Today we are going to discuss about data sort. Data sort is such a basic feature of spreadsheet software that it is available in all the spreadsheet softwares. Data sorting is the process in which data is arranged in some meaningful order, which makes it easier to understand and analyze the data, and it makes it easier to search on the data. We will see that with example.
Let us look at this worksheet. Marks of some students are stored in this worksheet. Let us analyze these. Sunny has got 89 marks. Kavya has got 90 marks. Arnav has got 90.5 marks. Bhavna got 91 marks. As we are moving forward, these marks are also increasing. Now look at the names. These are not in order. It would be nice if we store them in order. To arrange this data in order of name, select this data, click on data menu, click on sort option, then select name in sort by option and click on OK. Now this data is stored in order of name. It not only looks nice, but its major advantage is that it makes it easy to search data. For example, to find marks of Manoj, we have to search those names which are starting with M. It makes it very easy to search when you have large amount of data arranged in order. If it is not arranged, you will have to search all the records. Data sorting can be done on multiple columns as well. Suppose you want to arrange this data first in the order of class, then in order of name. Then you select this data, click on data menu, click on sort option and select class in sort by option and select second column, that is name, in then by option and then click on OK. Now our data is arranged first in the order of class, then in order of name. You can arrange this data in descending order as well. To arrange this data in descending order, select the data, click on data menu, click on sort option, sort by class, select descending option and then by name and select descending option and then click on OK. Now this data is arranged in descending order of class and name.
I hope I am clear to you. In case of any doubt, please put in a comment. Thank you.